Hey guys, how are you doing? Sorry I missed a video yesterday. I've just been feeling so tired. I think I might have a cold. I don't know. Nothing major. I'm fine. But anyways, I'm super excited. As you probably read from the title, I'm opening my Winter Box of Style by Rachel Zoe. So this is probably, or most definitely, the most expensive subscription box I received, but it is also one of my favorites. So this is a quarterly subscription, so you get it every season. So this is the winter box, of course. And it costs $99, but you get over $400 in value. And the winter box is actually sold out, but they do have a box that will be shipped out. It's called like the select box or something like that. I'll leave the information down in the description box, but you actually get things, some of the things from this box and some from previous boxes. Like this necklace I'm wearing, I know is featured. I think I maybe got this in the fall box or in some recent box, but I really like it. So yeah, so you still get a lot of goodies, and I'll show you some of them. So the first thing I see, so it came in a brown box, and then inside the box, it looks like you just get this big purse, but inside the purse I think is the actual box. So let's get this out. This is so pretty. So anyone who gets the select box will get this purse too, that's included in the winter box. Look how cute this tote is. It's like a very light pink, like peach color. It is so beautiful, and I love purses like this. And it looks like this is made by Box of Style with Jules K. This is so pretty. So there's handles here, and then there's also like a longer handle you can have the option of using. And so inside the box is the actual Box of Style. Or inside the purse is the actual Box of Style. So yeah, this is so gorgeous though. Like you can seriously use this every day for work. It can fit your laptop, everything. So I'm super excited about that. But anyways, the actual box itself is so cute. Usually it's black, I think, but it's gold this month. So very cute. So I'm gonna open it. And when you open it, it says, "Hello, gorgeous," right inside there. Super cute. And then there is this little pamphlet. So let's see how much that purse costs. So in here it'll tell you a little bit about the box. I have a note from Rachel Zoe herself. And this bag is vegan leather tote, and it has a retail value of $150. I had a feeling it would be up there because it's so nice. So that's awesome. And then there's just like a little quote by her for each item and why she picked it. And then there's some styling tips as well. So that's super nice. I like the pamphlets that come in here. Alright, so then under that, it looks neatly packed. Look how gorgeous this packaging is, seriously. Alright, so the first thing I see, I'm really excited about. I've actually received a sample of this before, and I love it. And I like their other products. This is the Luna Sleeping Night Oil by Sunday Riley. And this is what the outer packaging looks like. And this oil is actually blue when you put it on. And it seems to work really well. I think I received a sample, I'm just gonna guess it was in Birchbox or Sephora Play, and I really have liked it. It says the key ingredients are trans retinol ester, blue tansy, Germain chamomile, and Cape chamomile essential oils, avocado seed oil, and chia seed oil. And it works through the night to deliver visibly more youthful, luminous, even-toned skin in the morning. And the trans-retinoic acid ester complex reduces the appearance of pores and wrinkles while visibly improving the signs of premature aging, fine lines, uneven texture, age spots, dryness, and dullness. It's balanced with blue tansy and German chamomile essential oils, both rich and soothing. Blue azulene, the look of a surface and sensitivity are neutralized for a calm, even-toned complexion. Clinically proven to improve fine lines, radiance, and skin smoothness in 4 weeks. Awesome. So yeah, the sample, I don't think it lasted 4 weeks, so I'm super excited to try it because that's what really when your skin cells turn around and you can see the effects of your skincare products. So it says even the next day this look of your skin should improve with the dryness and less redness and luminosity. But in 4 weeks, that's when you notice like your fine lines and wrinkles going away. So I bet this is pretty pricey because I know Sunday Riley is a more expensive brand. $105 is the total of this. And you can see what the bottle looks like there. So that's awesome. I'm super excited to use this because I did like it when I had the sample. So There's another item I've tried as a sample too and really liked. So this is the Amika Velvet Dream Smoothing Balm, and again, I either received this in my Sephora Play or my Birchbox, I'm guessing. Maybe even my Ipsy, but Ipsy I don't usually get as much hair care stuff. So I have raved about this brand before on my channel. I think their products smell so good and work so great, but like the smell and the packaging probably are one of my favorite. Like the packaging generally looks cute like this design, very colorful. And this product really does help. I've used it before I would blow dry my hair and it just wouldn't seem as dry afterwards. Like I should have used something like that today, but I was out of it. So I'm super pumped to get this. And this is a super big size, 200 mLs. So again, that's what it looks like. And let's read about this. All right, this is a retail value of $25. And Rachel says, who doesn't need a multi-purpose hair product that not only hydrates but protects against environmental damage, frizz, and heat styling? The lightweight cream also provides hold without stiffness. It's the ultimate secret weapon. It really does work awesome. So I'm super excited to get that. All right, moving on. Something by Love AJ, which I think we've gotten something from this brand before. I'm not sure if it was in a box of style or what, but I definitely have received something from them before. Ooh, is this a ring? Oh my gosh, it is. I hope it fits. I never wear rings and I really want to. This is beautiful. Ignore my gross nails. Oh my gosh, let me see. And it fits me. Oh, let me get this hair tie off. I always forget to take hair ties off my wrist, but I love keeping them there because generally I end up pulling my hair back. Can you guys see that? I feel like it doesn't look as beautiful in the viewfinder as it does in person. Let me find it in here. I love getting good quality rings because sometimes those cheaper ones leave marks or the discoloration on my finger. All right, so this is $85 retail value. Wow, it's the Love AJ Marquise Diamond Disc Statement Ring. It's an exclusive for a box of style. And Rachel says, the holiday season demands some sparkle. I've given you the choice of yellow rose or rose gold plating for this stunning stacked ring with crystal accents. So it looks like I got the yellow gold. I don't think I chose when I went online because I guess they gave you the option. I know they did that before with what I'm wearing. I'm wearing like this cute poncho thing. You could have gotten just black or like this maroonish purple color, and I picked this last month, but I don't remember getting the option, but I'm totally happy with this. I think it's so pretty. I'm gonna keep it on. Awesome. And it does like have that like little opening in the back, so I think you could probably get it to fit on any finger. And it says you can, there's no rules here wear on any finger, so you don't have to wear any ring finger. So I'm super excited about this. Awesome. All right, it looks like there's one more thing. And I think I know what this one is because this also comes in the select box that I was just checking out before filming. Okay, so this is the outer packaging. It says Eddie Borgo, New York. I'm excited for this because I really have wanted a nice watch in my collection. It is a watch. Look at this gorgeous watch. This is like classy. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, this has a retail value of $115. Let me take this out. So if you get the box, the select box that's listed below, you will get this too. So you get like some of the best things in this. You get the $150 purse and this $115 watch. I love the detailing on this. Oh my gosh. It is so pretty. And of course there's an adjustable fit so it can fit everyone. Like I have my Fitbit on, but I don't like to wear that when I go out to like nice things, you know? That's like my everyday wear, but like I would love to wear this watch like, you know, when I have a nice outfit on, I'm going out for dinner, doing something fun, not just lounging around the house or exercising. So I'm super excited about this. And then here, I'll take off the plastic on the bottom so you can see more of the detail about how pretty that is. I am so excited. Awesome. I'm so happy with this box. I always am. Let me add up the retail cost. Let me grab my phone and I'm gonna add it together so I can tell you how much this box is in total. Okay, you guys, I added up the total, and the total value of this box is $480. That is crazy. So you get a lot of good stuff. And this is like good stuff you can actually use. You know, some boxes you don't get things that are, you know, necessarily like practical. Like a watch. Okay, we all could use a watch. Like even if you have a watch collection, then you're someone that likes to have more watches. The ring is so pretty. I really do want to start wearing rings more. I never do. And this one's comfortable and slides right on my finger and stays put, so I'm really excited about that. I already know I've tried samples of these two products, and I love Sunday Riley, and I'm super excited to use this more to see the actual results after 4 weeks. And I know for sure this Amika smoothing balm helps make your hair like just look so much healthier and better after you use it after blow drying. I bet it even works when you air dry a little bit, but I haven't tried that yet, so super pumped about that. And okay, can we talk about this bag? I am gonna use the heck out of this. I think this is so cute. This can go with like any outfit. I love that you have the option to just use the small handles or long ones so you can style it the way you like. I don't know, I think this box was freaking awesome. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Do you guys get this box? Are you gonna get the select box? If you look at my link that's down below, you can see what else comes in the box. So you'll get the bag, the watch, this necklace, and then there's 2 other things I can't remember at the top of my head, but I remember when I looked at grab the stuff I couldn't remember. All right, now I'm gonna grab my advent calendars. I'm gonna open 2 days since I missed yesterday, so I'm gonna open the 8th and the 9th, or the 9th and the 10th. What day is it? Where'd my phone go? I think I closed my phone. The 9th and the 10th. Oops, gosh. All right, we're getting towards the end of my bath bomb box because this is just a 12 day. So I'm gonna open day 10 and day 9. And these kind of just have fallen all over, so I'm just gonna grab 2 out of here because it doesn't really matter anymore. All right, so here are 2 bath bombs. As always, they smell great. I think this is such a fun little idea and affordable gift. This is a $12 advent calendar, and it's full of mini bath bombs. Right, now on to my L'Occitane one. So right away I see day 9, so I'm gonna open that up. And day 9 is a shampoo. I'm gonna guess that day 10 is a conditioner. Let's open that up and then I can show you guys more. Where are you? Am I shaking the camera right now? I'm sorry. Alright, so it's kind of nice that I opened day 9 and 10 together. Sorry if I'm shaking the camera, it's on top of something right now. But I got a shampoo and a conditioner. These both contain 5 essential oils, and this is what they look like. So, you know, that's nice. I could use them. Well, I already showered today, but tomorrow. It smells good, like light, fresh scent. Yeah, awesome. I love getting shampoo and conditioner samples. I seriously have not gone out to the store and bought a full-size shampoo and conditioner in so long because I get them in my subscription boxes and I love it. But anyways, that concludes today's video. I forgot to mention I have a giveaway going on that ends the 14th. I will leave a link below to my giveaway video that explains what you have to do to, really all you have to do is subscribe and like the video. So go over there and check it out. Enter, it's open international. But thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me today, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye guys.